What up guys, it's Big West here. Welcome to my Madara base Mangekyou Sharingan Contacts unboxing video. So if you don't want to see me unboxing and everything, you just want to see me struggling to put them in my eyes, skip to the time that's going to be on the screen right now. If not, you want to see the whole thing, stick around for it, and thank you for watching. What is going on, y'all? It's Big West here. I know it's been a long time, but we will talk about that in another video. Today we are talking about some contacts I am really excited to be showing you guys today. It took a long time to find. Probably the hardest contacts to find to date, but I got them for you. It is the Madara Mangekyou Sharingan. And I'm talking about the base Mangekyou. And this is, to my knowledge, has only been shown in the anime like once, maybe twice. It's when Madara is alive. When everyone thinks Madara, they think eternal Mangekyou with like combined with his brothers. Like, no, this is just straight 100% Madara, like before he like goes blind and takes his brother's eyes. This is the Mangekyou Sharingan he's working with. So I got the package here. Is from a site called Queen's Contacts, brand new site. I really like them because their packaging is straight and simple. So we got the paperwork right here, some warnings and all that stuff. But aside from that, it is just the contacts. Woo. Good catch by me. I caught both of them at the same time. Jeez, I almost had an incident on my hands. So I'll put it back in here. Both contacts there, plus it comes with the case. Okay, so here's the carrying case, just the simple left, right, blue, pink, and then the contacts right here. I'll peel the stickers off this one so you guys can see what they actually look like. So I'm trying to get it on a good angle. You guys can see. There we go, beautiful. So that, as you can see, is Madara circles, just his no line. So this is the pattern that he had when he was alive, when he first unlocked the Mangekyou, before the eternal Mangekyou, so the light wouldn't fade and he wouldn't go blind anymore. So I am going to sit these in the solution, let them sit for a couple hours, supposed to be 24 just to be safe. So once they are oxidized and in the solution, I will come back, stick them in my eye so you guys can check them out and we can both see how they look. What up, y'all? It's Big West. I'm back. It's been 24 hours, so we are going to get these contacts in right now. So yeah, I'm really excited because these are, like I said before, definitely the hardest contacts to find. Like, of all the Sharingan designs, OG, just base Madara Mangekyou has definitely been the hardest one. So I'm just gonna go put this in and let's get it going.
Perfect.
All right, guys, so I got the contacts in. I am really amped to see what I'm looking like Madara Uchiha. All right, so I'm gonna come in closer so you guys get a good look. I'll do the left eye first. Here it is, looking all around. Hope the design really comes through on this one. And here's the right eye. And here's both at the same time, get a good look. So yeah, I really like these, like the whole design, the complex, like you just see the dots. And the only thing, this one's, it's pretty dark. Some of the other contacts I've got, the red is a lot brighter, so it's easier to see. These ones, I like it though. It's like blood red. Like, it's really dark and deep, and it suits it. It's Madara, right? Like, who else would have blood red eyes? I mean, like Itachi, all of them crying, but like, you know what I'm saying. All right, and to prove to you guys I can see perfectly and I can read and do everything, I'm gonna do the eye test again and just read some of the comments from one of my last videos.
So make a video on what to do when you first get contacts, how to prepare them, everything you do before putting them on, making them safe.
That's actually a really good idea, and I think I might do that next time. So look out for that video.
Read this, please.
Oh, Jeff, there you go.
Bro, it would be cool if you did an Asuma cosplay.
I've never really thought about that. I don't cosplay like at all, just like Halloween basically. But that's a cool idea. I love Asuma. He's a really sick character, so who knows? All right, guys, so that's it. I can see perfectly. I'm loving these contacts. They're really cool. I would definitely recommend them. I don't remember the price and everything, but I'm definitely gonna put the link in the description below, so look out for that. I just wanna come in one last time for you guys to get another good look, because I love this. It's the right eye right there, left eye right there, and a little bit of both. I love these contacts. Yeah, so that's it. These are these Madara contacts. They're really cool. So hard to find, but definitely worth it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be back soon. Sorry for the delay in videos, but we're getting back on track soon. So new contacts, a lot of new content coming out. To stay subscribed, share this with all your friends, and stay posted. So like this video, comment. I love hearing what you guys have to say. Let me know what you want to see next from me. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Don't want to miss out on all the videos coming out. And I will be back soon. So thank you guys for watching. Take care of yourselves.